welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited. I love a good home haul. I love watching them. I love buying things for my home. I love filming them. I didn't realize how much home stuff I've bought lately, and it's a lot. I just remembered I had something in my teeth from lunch and I never got it out. Hold on. You're gonna have to just deal with this because everything I bought is breakable because it's mostly glassware, like glasses, drinking stuff. I bought 2 pitchers, which I never use pitchers, but I bought 2, and vases. So everything is super breakable, so I put everything in like 2 boxes so that they're not just like rolling around the bed. But I actually tried to do a no-buy January. I just was buying a lot during the Christmas season, buying gifts of course, and then of course like a gift for you, a gift for me kind of happened. But there was just so many good sales and so many good deals and just so many good things that I just got carried away. So what I think I'm going to do, because I already kind of failed no-buy Jan, I did fail. I tried to go shopping with just gift cards, but then I, went over the limit of, you know what I mean? So I've already failed January, so I'm doing a low buy January, no buy February, which is easier because it's the shortest month. But this is a collective haul. A lot of this stuff I even got on like Black Friday. Most of it is from Anthropologie. I also do have some Lauren Conrad from Kohl's like home stuff. I did do an LC by Lauren Conrad haul. I can link it up in the corner. And they gave me $30 Kohl's cash, which was basically $30 to use for free. So I went on the website and I ordered some of her clearance like decor stuff, which my favorite thing in this haul is from that. So yeah, mostly from Anthropologie, LC by Lauren Conrad. I do have some Urban Outfitters, one thing from like Nordstrom, but yeah, you get it. I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the LC stuff, just like because. Which first off, I got this one as a gift for Christmas, and it's so cute. It's this little trinket dish. I think you could use it for pretty much anything. Coins or like your jewelry or your rings. I wanted it for like holiday decor. So this is what it looks like. It's just a cute little deer. She has eyelashes and little gold antlers, and she's on this nice blue tray. And I thought this would be cute winter decor, so I'm keeping her in this box and I'm putting her away till next winter because she does look very wintry. I mean, I guess you could use it any time of year, but got that from my in-laws for Christmas that I'd throw it in here. And then the stuff that I picked up with my Kohl's cash. So first off was this towel, and it was on sale I think for $3. I am instantly just like impressed with how it feels. So it's this really cute kind of light pink polka dot towel. This is messing with the lighting, but it's really, really soft, and I just love having, is this called like a hand towel? I love to switch out my hand towel in my bathroom constantly, so I just thought this was cute. They had it in pink and gray, and now I'm regretting not buying both, but I can just chill. But I love that. This actually arrived broken, which is a little upsetting, but I can fix it, so I'm not worried about it too much. But it's this little bear. He has a crown on, and he is an LED light, which I was going to demonstrate for you, but I don't have any batteries for him. But he's just a super cute little bear that stands up on his own, and he says, "Oh, what fun," which I just thought this was so cute. He has a little crown on, and again, he lights up kind of like my LC Joy neon sign that you guys, I've talked about it to death, but it's kind of the same line. This was originally, I think, $60, and I got it on clearance for $20. So I was like, yes, I want that. I'll put it in the box for Christmas next year, and I will be so excited because I'll probably forget I bought it, and then I'll open it and be like, yes, past Amy, for thinking of future Amy. But I do need to fix him with a little hot glue or Easy 6000, we'll see, but he's fixable. And then my favorite purchase from the Lauren Conrad line. Look at this vase. It is so freaking cute. It's just like a little blouse. It has a collar. It's pink. It has like a little tie down the front, and you just put flowers in it. And I just thought that was the cutest thing. They had another one that was a little bit like shorter and stouter, but it was just plain white. I probably would have gotten it if it had a bit more color to it or something, but I love this, and you'll see in a moment that I bought some dried flowers, and I think I'm gonna go back to the shop I bought the dried flowers at and just buy a ton, because I have all these different vases that are perfect for shelves, but I don't want to be buying fresh flowers every week because that adds up, obviously. So I think I'm gonna get a bunch of those, but this is just like probably my favorite purchase out of all of these things. It is so cute, and I could not believe it when I saw it. I was just like, I have to have that. So, and I think I got it on sale for like $9 as well. And I should say a lot of this stuff you probably can't get anymore, but what I can find will be linked down below. So just check that for anything you might want to see. I'm pretty sure I can still find this, so check down there. I have one random thing from like Nordstrom / Anthropologie. So I don't know if you can get it at both, but I was at my mom's house at her pantry, and she had like a little stash of vases, and this was in it, and I'm like, Mom, I'm taking this home. And she's like, you're not. And I didn't know this, but Anthropologie has like a home section at Nordstrom, and I've never seen it in any of my Nordstroms around me. Well, there's one, but I've never seen it there. But we went to the big Charlotte Mall when we were in North Carolina, and they had it there. They had like this whole home section by Anthropologie inside Nordstrom, and I was like, whoa, my two favorite things combined. And this was one of them, so my mom ordered this for me, which is very kind. But I loved the shape of it. It's like a bigger, there's like plenty of room in there, but it's not as tall as my other vases, and I just think it's so cute. So I definitely do need to buy some fresh flowers at some point for all these vases I'm buying, but I just thought that was cute. I guess let's finish up all the random things and then I'll get into Anthropologie. So this is super random, but I got a picture at Sur la Table, which I think I'm saying that right. I know it's like a fancy French situation, but this vase or picture, again, on that same day we went to the fancy mall, and it's not fancy. It is a really nice mall. Okay, it is fancy. The fancy mall in Charlotte. Bradley and I are also on the hunt for like a big wooden block cutting board. That's just what we want out of life. Our cutting boards have started to like bend and they just don't work as well, so we want a big wooden block cutting board. So we went in there to look, and while I was in there I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness. And then I saw it was on sale for half off. It was originally $60. I paid $30, obviously, and I obviously couldn't buy it there and ship it home because it is so heavy. It is so well made. It's like very thick and sturdy glass. I love that it's like a very like subtle light pink, like it could almost look white, but it is pink. They had a matching cake stand for it too, so if you're interested in like the set, check that out. I ordered this immediately online and had it shipped to me, and I love it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I love it. And then one last thing before the Anthropologie stuff, and I showed this in my I think my gift guide because I thought it would be a cute gift. But this is from Urban Outfitters, and it's just a cute little boob planter. I'm actually really excited because around when I was starting to put out Halloween decorations, so beginning of September obviously, I had a few plants like die, or I took some plants, put them in different pots for different areas, and so I had a lot of empty pots and I just kind of put them away. But now that like the Christmas and Halloween and all the like decoration stuff is over, I mean like we'll decorate for like February or for Valentine's Day and Easter, but I just don't have nearly as much as I do for Christmas and Halloween. So there's just more space to put on the shelves and the countertops, and so I'm excited to bust out a bunch of my planters and go to the plant shop. Again, not good for my no buy, so I'll do that in January so I can have a clean February, but I need some more plants, and I loved this one. I love that it has a hole drilled in it already. You can plug it up if you want. It comes with a little, I almost said a little butt plug. Woo! It does come with a little stopper right there, but I just thought it was so cute. She has little boobs and hearts for nipples, and it was only $12, so I am obsessed with it, so I thought I would share. Now on to Anthropologie. So during Black Friday, we'll start with that stuff. If you haven't seen or heard, I use Young Living products, and I won some sort of contest in which I won a year's supply of Ningxia Red, which is basically their like wolfberry supplement drink where you take 2 ounces of it a day, which actually it's about time for me to take it. I take it usually around like 2 or 3 in the afternoon. I love it. It tastes great, gives you a little bit of like a natural energy boost. There's no caffeine in it or anything. But I wanted some pretty shot glasses to take my Ningxia shots out of. I only have like Bradley's like weird sports crappy shot glasses, and I was like, I want something pretty to take my Ningxia out of every day. So I was looking, even before Black Friday, I looked on Anthropologie, and I loved these shot glasses. So they're basically, I think they were called like the luster shot glasses. So they kind of have that iridescent glow to the glass, and then they have a gold rim. They are so beautiful. It was a set of 4, I believe originally for $32, but then for Black Friday they had 30% off everything. So I was able to snag these, and I've been loving them. I love the shape. They're just a little bit different, and they just make me happy when it's Ningxia time every day. And in that same Black Friday order, I am obsessed with this vase. This is one of my favorite purchases of this whole haul as well. It's just basically like a bottlenose vase. It's very thin. Ooh, it needs to be dusted. I have it sitting by a window. But it's just really small, like puffy paint, black polka dots on a cream vase. I love it. And then these are the dried flowers that I was talking about. So they had all different kinds of colors. I just got kind of a mixture to put in here all together, and I'm obsessed with it. So I want to buy a ton more of these little dried flowers, in which I got some questions from you guys, like, what are those called? I have no idea. I call them the Dr. Seuss flowers because they remind me of Dr. Seuss. But I love this so much. I have it sitting over by my crystals by the window and an air plant, and it's just, a little cozy corner of my bedroom. And yes, I love this vase. I think it's still available, so I will link it down below. Also on Black Friday, I bought this little cup, which my sister was over yesterday, and she opened the cup cabinet and she was like, that is literally so cute. So it's just kind of like a little honey bear. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It looks so cute when you fill it up with like orange juice or something of color, but he's just really cute and short and stout, and I think with the 30% off he was like literally $5, so I was like, oh, add that to the cart. It's so cute. Bradley's going to actually divorce me if I keep buying more cups though, because we have no more room in the glass cabinet. I have no room for any of this stuff. I'm actually going to be doing a huge kitchen declutter, overhaul, reorganization, which I'm going to try to film for you guys. Our kitchen is not very large, so I find that that might be a little bit difficult to do. But back to the haul. I picked up another pitcher, and this is so beautiful, and I have no use for this really, but I'm really glad I bought it. If we ever have a brunch and we want to serve orange juice out of this, or even just like water, it's just a beautiful, like, well made. I love the ridges in it. It's, I don't know, it doesn't feel too flimsy, and it just is easy to use. So if I'm having like my siblings over or friends over or whatever, we just want to have like a pitcher of water on the table or something, this will be perfect. And I just thought it was beautiful, and I think again with the 30% off it was like $10, so yes. And then the last couple of things, these were not from Black Friday. This was from the other day when I had an exchange for Anthropologie. On Black Friday, I bought this super cool shelf that was like white wood, and it was like scalloped edge, and I was so excited about it because it was pricey, but I got the 30% off. But then it came and it was just too bulky, and it looked more like wood than the white paint I thought it was gonna have, so I returned it. Well, I exchanged it because I bought some more things. These glasses are so freaking cute. They are kind of like ombre brown, like they get darker brown as you get to the bottom, but then they have these like 3D polka dots that are gold, and they're so cute. I kind of regret not getting 4 of them, but I knew Bradley would just literally murder me. We don't really have 4 of any type of glass. We like mix match glasses, so it works out, but I had to get 2. And these, they were also having an after Christmas, I think 40% off home stuff sale. So I picked up these. I think they ended up being like just under $5 each, which, hello, what a steal, which I regret not getting 4. And then last, I think, but not least, I got this super cool planter vase. I'm not even really sure what it is. It's from Anthropologie, but it's by Licorice Moon for Anthropologie. And this again was part of the 40% off sale. So I got this, I think it was originally $14. I got it for $8. So I was like, yes. And I love this shape because it's perfect for my mantle of my fireplace. The brick on that is not that thick, so putting like planters on there is sometimes tricky. But if I can work it out, there's not holes in it, and it doesn't really look like a good thing to drill a hole in. If I can figure out some way to plant, I would love to have some sort of pothos or maybe like a string of pearls dripping down the side. I think that would be really cute. But regardless of that, I loved the print of it. It's just kind of looks like it was hand painted with pink and dark green stripes, but then it has metallic gold. It's so pretty, so I picked that up as well. But okay guys, that is it for my little home haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I am just so excited about all my cups and vases and pitchers. But yeah, that's all the home stuff I bought. Like I said, what I can link down below, I will have linked. But I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you very soon in a new video. Bye.